In this last topic for A1 level, we are going to start talking about the future. The structure I am going to explain is be going to, in its two meanings, in fact. But first, let's start with plans. Situations. I'm going to buy that shirt. I'm going to sell my car. I'm going to visit Spain. I'm not going to have breakfast this morning. All of these sentences refer to the future. And what kind of future? This is the question, because in English there are different grammar structures that you use when you speak about the future. It's not only different tenses, it's different structures. The first one, be going to, it is used when you speak about your plans. And let's see it in more details. So in the present, you're saying something. I'm going to sell my car. You're saying it in the present. Or I'm going to visit Spain. You're saying this one in the present. But you say it when you decided it in the past. Okay? You made the decision that you're going to visit Spain. For example, last night you spoke with your husband or with your wife and you decided that you are going to visit Spain. This thing that you decided in the past and you are saying in the present is going to happen in the future. Remember this chart, this timeline, it's really important and it directly shows you what is important for this first usage of be going to. Plans that you made in the past and that are going to happen in the future. Let's see it in practice. I'm going to sell my car. I'm going to, so the be going to, and after that the verb. He is going to sell his car. She is going to, we are going to, and so on. So following the pattern, please make sentences with the snippets below. And we are checking them. He is going to buy a car. Be going to was verb. We aren't going to visit Austria. Be going to was verb. Are you going to buy a house? So how we make the question? We just use the forms of the verb to be. Are you going to buy a house? I'm going to speak Japanese. It's your plan. It's something that you decided and something that is going to happen in the future. I'm going to speak Japanese. Be going to was verb. We are going to take pictures. Be going to was verb. Good. There is one more usage of be going to, and this is what we are going to talk about in the very last lecture of this first level. See you in the next video.